It's no surprise that New York City is one of the most expensive places to live. It's right up there with Hong Kong, London, San Francisco, Dubai, and a handful of others. Most people who come to New York struggle with the whopping prices of small studio apartments, but for some others, penthouses and mansions in this city are mere plaything. Manhattan especially has gained quite the reputation as an indicator of wealth and power, and as buildings in this area reached new heights, the ultra-wealthy traded in their townhouses for top-floor homes where light was abundant and the views were spectacular. Thanks to a host of new developments, New York now boasts some of the most over-the-top apartments, many created by the world's best architects and designers. Today we're going to take a look at the most expensive of the 520 West 28th Street, $58.5 million. Architect Zaha Hadid is known for her bold and unconventional lines. 520 West on 28th Street is no exception and causes quite the pedestrian traffic jam, but the inside is even more impressive. It contains 39 loft-like residences, each individually crafted with the artist's signature mark woven into the design. This 11,100 square foot triplex apartment is linked by a spiral staircase, and the floor-to-ceiling windows offer an unobstructed view of the Empire State Building. The master bedroom suite includes a white marble-clad ensuite bathroom, a walk-in closet, and a linen closet. This 7-bedroom condo with 3,900 square foot terrace, perfect for your private garden, will set you back $58.5 million. Along with your apartment, you also get the benefit of some outstanding amenities. This gorgeous sunlit 75-foot swimming pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, a reservable lounge and entertainment suite with a chef's kitchen, a science, math, and art innovation lab, and a reservable private water suite inspired by the Turkish hammam. It is truly a lifestyle curated with love and attention to detail. $58.5 million may not seem like a lot. In the world of billionaires, it isn't. Keep watching to see which apartment is worthy of our number one spot. Number 9. 421 Broome Street, $65 million. The 4-bedroom, 4-floor home dates back to the 1870s, and it recently underwent a renovation. It hasn't lost its old charm, it's just more 21st century friendly now. The penthouse suite can be accessed via a private elevator, which opens directly into the living room with 6 oversized arched windows. You can look over historic Soho, comfortable in the warmth of your wood-burning fireplace encased in granite. The 8,000 square foot penthouse residence also comes with 4,000 square feet of outdoor space, including a spa. The kitchen is outfitted to the liking of a pro chef and includes 2 butler's pantries. A black marble staircase leads you to the master level with his and her bathrooms, 20 custom closets, a dumbwaiter, coffee bar, wood-burning fireplace, and private terraces. The guest room also comes with its own private terrace. Go another flight up and the top level opens up to entertaining terraces with a large canopy, another wood-burning fireplace, and TV alcove, all accessible through 6 sets of French doors. And if all this wasn't enough, the property comes with a screening room, fitness room, and a second full kitchen and laundry room. 3 additional landscaped terraces with fountain garden and open-air dining, and an adjoining staff room with a full bath completes this incredible residence. Number 8. 53 West 53rd Street, Penthouse 76, $65 million. This 4-bedroom duplex penthouse enjoys a 360-degree view of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the downtown skyline, and is the work of architect Jean Nouvel, who is responsible for some amazing structures like the Louvre Abu Dhabi, One Central Park, and the La Marseillaise Tower. 53 West 53rd soars high above the Museum of Modern Art, and Penthouse 76 is a good 800 feet off the ground. This 7,973 square foot space can be accessed directly through a private elevator. You step off into a massively scaled living room with double-height ceilings and bespoke interiors crafted in collaboration with Thierry Despont. This apartment features a gas-burning fireplace, a Central Park-facing dining room perfect for entertaining, and perhaps a little showing off. An eat-in kitchen with custom cabinets and marble countertops, and a complete suite of appliances. Your master bedroom would stretch from north to south of the second floor, so of course it comes with a sprawling walk-in closet, a Noir Saint Laurent marble and Verona limestone bathroom with heated floors and custom-made fittings and accessories. Everything you touch, see, and walk on is a luxury brand. How much will this grand condo cost you? $65 million. It comes with a library, wine room, wellness center, golf simulator, theater, a live-in resident manager, too many to count. It comes with a ton of amenities and benefits, including a MoMA membership. Rest assured, you'll be in excellent care in this condo with its 5-star hotel-like services. Number 7. The Sherry Netherland, $67 million. This building was originally an upscale hotel, and it has long been a symbol of Upper East Side glamour with old New York charm. Over the years, this elegant building has been home to Diana Ross, director Francis Ford Coppola, and TV host and judge Judy Scheindlin, or Judge Judy. The Sherry Netherland rises 38 stories above the Grand Army Plaza and Central Park and features a recently restored ceiling mural in the lobby based on the Vatican Palace. It is a full-service, white-glove cooperative with a 24-hour doorman, concierge, and attended elevators. The residents get all the 5-star benefits of the hotel included, along with the turn-down service and daily housekeeping, plus access to a fitness center, salon, and room service. But let's take a look at the apartment. For $67 million, you can have this full-floor residence, which can be accessed by 3 private elevators. It sits on the 18th floor and occupies 7,000 square feet of space, plus another 2,000 in terraces and gardens. It contains 7 bedrooms and 3 terraces. You get a breathtaking view of the Plaza Hotel and the Empire State Building on one side and the magnificent Central Park on the other. As for the master bedroom suite, it has its own large terrace facing north towards the Upper East Side and Central Park. The perfect view to wake up to. Number 6. 212 Fifth Avenue, $68.5 million. It was for 3 units in total, but we're going to talk about the priciest unit, which came to $68.5 million. This property comes with a host of amenities you'd expect: 24-hour concierge, catering kitchen, treatment rooms, playroom, lounge, and much more. It's when you step into your 10,000 square foot home that the unusual begins. The 5-bedroom penthouse crowns 212 Fifth Avenue, and the best of Manhattan luxury washes over you when you step into this white and gray marble foyer with high ceilings and gold accents. The huge loft-like living rooms with interiors by Pembroke and Ives, the observatory, the rooftop garden, and the ballroom are all spaces where you can entertain. For your own personal use, the master bathroom promises indulgence with stone floors and marble walls, a scene of tranquility after a long day's work. The master suite, like all others, has a spacious walk-in closet. Kitchens are fitted with top-of-the-line Gaggenau appliances. With only 2 or 3 homes per floor, the building is intimate and boutique in size, but has all the luxury amenity offerings associated with larger developments. Number 5. Madison Square Park Tower, $77 million. Soaring 750 feet above Madison Square Park, this 13,000 square foot triplex comes with all the conveniences of location you need with the luxury you deserve. The exterior work is the genius of world-renowned firm Cohn Peterson Fox Associates, and the interiors come from the mind of Martin Brudniski. This property on East 22nd Street and Park Avenue South features floor-to-ceiling windows offering brilliant views of New York, and the amenities include a boxing and private training suite, a basketball court, library, billiards, outdoor grills, entertaining spaces, and more. This apartment will set you back $77 million, but it's a price tag well worth it. The master suite gets its own floor and includes a spa, gym, and his and hers bathrooms. It's packed with everything you need, and this apartment isn't just about the views. New York simply looks different from here, it's true, but mountain white Danby stone fittings in the bathroom and custom designed cabinetry in the kitchen all transport you to a different world. Number 4. Woolworth Tower Residences, $79 million. This 58-story skyscraper is one among many adorning the New York City skyline, but it definitely doesn't merely blend in with its surrounding architecture. Woolworth Tower stands out for its romantic reimagining of Gothic ideals, which can be seen in the terracotta gargoyles, flying buttresses, and the iconic crown. The top 30 floors have been transformed by Thierry Despont into the Woolworth Tower Residences, a limited collection of 32 luxury condos. This particular $79 million apartment spans 5 floors and is aptly named the Pinnacle. It's 9,680 square foot space and features a private 408 square foot observatory, exclusive elevator access, 24-foot ceilings, and more than 125 windows. Basically, your Gothic castle in the sky. It comes unfurnished, but the developers and architect David Hodson have created renderings of what the unit could look like fully furnished, and it's the modern elegance you want combined with just a little bit of showing off. Number 3, 172 Madison Avenue, $98 million. Think intimate and cozy, but on a grand scale. The residences are designed by Shamir Shah in collaboration with Molteni and benefit from abundant light thanks to the 23-foot ceiling height and floor-to-ceiling windows. The location alone is a good reason to snap up this property. Near 172 Madison Avenue is Dover Street Market and the Ace Hotel, and it's a short walk to Madison Square Park and Grand Central. Of course, convenience isn't the only thing you'd look for in buying a penthouse. You want luxury and a status symbol, both of which this apartment promise. For a whopping $98 million, you can acquire this 5-story penthouse spanning over 19,000 feet, 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, fireplaces, a pool and a jacuzzi, terrace and garden spaces, the list goes on. The living room is spacious and kept minimal to soothe your senses after a hard day's work. The bathrooms and powder rooms use custom-made designer stone surfaces and fixtures, and the kitchen is a vision in white marble. As if that wasn't enough, living here provides you with a world of luxurious amenities, in-house concierge services, a sunlit lounge, and an adjacent outdoor plaza for relaxation, health, and wellness centers, a 67-foot saltwater pool, a children's playroom, a pet spa, and more. Number 2, Central Park Tower, $200 million. Comes Central Park Tower, a 1,550-foot residential building. It's located in Manhattan's Billionaires Row, and it is a few steps away from Central Park. Staying here, you can enjoy spectacular views on the elevated deck and sky gardens, or lounge in the outdoor pool in the summers. Lower-level apartments here will cost you about $95 million. But if you're aiming high, as you should, the penthouse is the only way to go. It is in fact impossible to live anywhere higher in New York. Sitting at a height of 1,400 feet, you don't just look down over New York, you're the king of New York. With your head literally in the clouds, you practically get a private view of the sunrise and sunset. This experience will cost you $200 million. It honestly does all the work for you. The living and entertaining spaces have been strategically positioned in corners of the home to provide maximum skyline views. Their planning also provides maximum light thanks to the high ceilings and windows, and they all feature custom details and fittings, the finest natural finishes they have to offer. And of course, there are restaurants and shopping opportunities galore. You can pop down for a quick purchase of a diamond bracelet without so much as getting out of your pajamas. Number 1, 220 Central Park South, $240 million. Clad in rich Alabama Silver Shadow limestone, this property is one of the very few buildings that can afford their residents sweeping views of Central Park and the New York City skyline. 220 Central Park South is inspired by the historic residences of New York along with the contemporary lifestyle of its people. The 79-story tower is accessible from a secured off-street motor court. Inside your 23,000 square foot home that you can access through a private elevator, a gorgeous foyer leads you into a spacious living room that offers a view of the park and Midtown Manhattan. The kitchen features wood paneling, glass and chrome cabinetry, a white marble center island, and marble countertops. The master suite has an ensuite bathroom with custom chrome fittings and black and white marble floors that are of course heated and features a steam shower. The unit also has a laundry room and powder room with generous closet space throughout. All this and more will come to $240 million. The amenities of the building include a reservable private dining and entertaining space, a fitness center, 82-foot saltwater pool, spa, library, and basketball court. But if $240 million is a wee bit more than you're prepared to spend, you can rent out a unit in this building for $59,000 a month. It won't be the same, but you'll get a taste of the lavish lifestyle. And that's it for our top 10 most expensive apartments in New York City. Where do you think you're going to move to next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.